it's A Boogie again, and welcome back to some more.
Yeah.
A B S. We don't need to say. We don't need you to say yellow. Welcome back to some more. A B C mouse with A Boogie. And if you want to learn, and guys, leave in the comments if you would like to see. No, I already said that in my last video, haven't I? Yeah, I have. I will. But guys, leave in the Okay, here's something. Leave in the comments if you bought Metrolong and got it up to level 30. Leave that in the comments. Also leave in the comments. And you may also leave in the comments like hold on. You can also leave in the comments if you have Indoraptor, you're a legend. If you got Metrolong, you're a legend. Leave in the comments if you have Metrolong and you beat it Omega 09. But you have to play it. I have played it before, and I've already defeated. I've defeated Omega 09. He's dead. So guys, what do you think? Yeah, it's not perfect. It's not good yet, is it? But look how many stars there are. Reach the stars. Star on the bullback. There's even a star on the lights. I mean, what? And the star on the clock on the wall. We've got to fix this. What? So, alright. What shall be next? And guys, I may have to end this video early because when that hits 5 o'clock, I'm gonna have to go home and then make more videos. So awkward. Now I'm about to give this star the taste of its own medicine with blood red. This is what we do like blood. Thank you so much for putting it out. Oh, and guys, leave in the comment. I forgot to tell you. Leave in the comments what games I should download and play and get. And also leave in the comments what games I should play on Roblox, because they have some pretty good games on Roblox. So do that. Spinning, yeah. Oh, and guys, one day, and soon I'm gonna be making a video. If I can make a video of, if I can get this game, I'm gonna be making a video of Who's Your Daddy. Yep, guys, that's right. Who's your daddy? Who's your right? That's enough. Now, where's the other stars so I can give them a taste of all medicine? Yeah. Hey guys, should we just color everything red again? Why does that star have rainbows coming out from its butt? I don't know, but I'm turning that rainbow into a red bow. Color the whole sign red. You know what? This is just gonna be a red star room. But don't click the clock though. The clock's done nothing. He's just a clock with clock. Why? He's got stars on the clock hands. Look. I was trying to make. See that? I was trying to make you innocent, clock. Well, there's only 2 tiny stars. If they've got more than 10 stars, I'm gonna have to color him 1. Okay, good. He doesn't have more than 10 stars. He's got about 5 stars. Okay, that's good. Move, squished him, squished you. You know what? I'm just gonna color the walls red so that we suck it. Oh, hello, Cotton. I want to kill You will drown in red powder, and then nobody will be able to survive the blood war. Help! I'm sinking in blood. I'm gonna drown in blood. I'm gonna drown. Yeah, you're gonna drown, dude. You're dead, son. This guy is, yeah, you're drowned. He drowned. He drowned. Why can't I? Okay, there you go. Dun 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 dun. What else? Somebody give me a break from painting walls. One day I will retire. I will retire from painting one day. I mean, look at all, look. The stars are red. Except for you. Oh wait, this lip has stars. Why? And he's on the wall, so he's gonna have to drown. No. No. I'm not color. Oh, that's. I reached the limit. Is there any way I can make this bigger? No, I'm not pressing that. No, stop it. It's behind me. No, I'm gonna drown. Whoa. Yes, she will drown. Mama, honey, no. Mommy. I wanna drown. I'll tell my mom I love her. I'll be home for dinner. Okay. Barney. Nothing. My bed. Roses. Dead. What? No. It's too late. And why do you think you can jump into a picture? Wait a minute. Oh, if you take off this top of the star. Oh, the star's sad. Look, it has a face. Oh, God, I wasted 7 minutes already. I'm not even done coloring this thing. How have I not colored the walls yet? Come on now. Come on. Yeah, the lamp drowned. I'm gonna have to finish this another time. It's wasting all. Look, I wasted 8 minutes. 8. Image saved. Okay. Oh, I already added the favorites.
Add a favorite. Continue to next and continue to.
She didn't even finish her sentence. Alright. Shape marking. After this, I show you some stuff around my classroom and the party store. So, oh, it's a star. Yes. Oh my. Schoolwork. I like doing everything else better. Stars. Yay. Alright guys. Now I shall show you around. Hopefully that won't take 4 minutes. So if you go to home. Oh no, I'm standing on the pawns. Dang, well, we can go to, yeah, you go to the map, and everybody to see how much stuff there is. Oh God, that school is bigger than the farm, and the zoo, and it's bigger than shopping. So we go to look at my room. pet part. Here's my dog. And here's my cat. Alright. Then we go back. I like how that little guy. We go to learning how. Okay, that's all the places.
You found a prize! Click on an item below to choose your prize and collect your 20 bonus tickets.
The astronaut. I want the astronaut stuff. And this is all stuff you can get for your pet, a hamster in your room. Alright. And this is for my aquarium. Let's go summer pottery.
Summer?
Okay. Yeah, I didn't expect this.
Summer.
I know, okay. What's up? What? Summer. We're in summer. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Kasita. This is Kadida. Ah, Kasita Chica. Kalita Dada Rini. Kalita Kadida Pro. So, that's gonna. Alright, guys. So, that's gonna have to end this video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a comment. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.